Hi everyone, my name is Ayush Soni. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting and powerful topic, big data usage in business analytics. You might have heard the term big data, but what exactly it is and how it is changing the way businesses take decisions. That's exactly what we will understand today in simple language. So let's begin with the introduction of big data. So, first, let's understand what big data actually means. In today's world, data is everywhere from our phones, social media, online shopping, even smartwatches. Every time we search something on Google, scroll Instagram, or buy some product from online shopping, we generate data. This data is so huge and complex that normal computers or databases can't handle it easily. That's why it is called big data. Big data has five main characteristics which we call 5 V's. First is volume, huge amount of data like petabytes or exabytes. Second stands for velocity, that says data comes very fast, for example, live tweets or stock updates. Third is variety, data is of many types text, images, videos, etc. Then we have veracity. It means reliability. Not all data is correct, so we need to clean it. And the fifth one is value. The main goal is extracting useful insights from the raw data. So, in short, big data is like raw oil, and business analytics is the refinery that turns it into something valuable. Now that we know what big data is, let's understand business analytics. Business analytics simply means using data to make better business decisions. It includes collecting data, analyzing it, and using the results to solve problems or improve performance. There are mainly three types of analytics. First is descriptive analytics. It answers what happened. For example, a company checks last month's sales to see which products sold most. Second is predictive analytics. It answers what will happen. For example, Netflix predicts which shows you might watch next. And third is prescriptive analytics. It answers what should we do. For example, Uber adjusts its ride prices based on the demand and location. So, business analytics is basically the brain that converts raw data into smart decisions. Okay, now let's understand the role of big data in business analytics. Big data gives businesses the power to see the bigger picture. Earlier, companies used to depend on small surveys or sales records, but now they analyze billions of data points from different sources. This helps in understanding customer behavior, predicting future trends, improving services, and saving time and money. For example, imagine you own a clothing brand. So, with big data, you can analyze which colors are trending, which size is selling most, and even predict next month's fashion demand, all from customer data collected online. That's the power of big data in analytics. Now, you might wonder, where does all this big data come from? Let me tell you some main sources. First is social media. Every post, comment, or like gives businesses insights about public opinions. Then we have e commerce websites. Every click, view, or purchase helps companies learn what customers want. Then we have IoT devices. Smartwatches, sensors, and connected devices collect real time data. Then we have customer feedback and surveys. It helps improves services and products. And the last, weblogs. It tracks how people move on a website, which help improve user experience. So in short, data is being generated from everywhere. Our phones, smart devices, and even daily online activities. Now that we know that what big data is and where it comes from, let's see how it is processed. There are many tools that help in analyzing and visualizing big data. The first and foremost important tool is Hadoop. It stores and processes large data sets across clusters of computers. Then we have Spark. It is used for real time analytics. For example, banking fraud detections and something like that. Then we have Kafka. It handles live data streaming and when Uber tracks cabs in real time. Then we have R Python. These are the programming languages used for data analysis and machine learning. And then Tableau and Power BI. These tools create beautiful dashboards and graphs for visualization. These tools make the impossible possible. They turn terabytes of data into useful businesses insights within seconds. So, what do companies actually gain from big data? Here are some important benefits. Better decision making. Managers can rely on real data instead of assumptions. Improved customer satisfaction. Now businesses can personalize experiences. For example, Amazon shows products you are likely to buy. Third is cost reduction. Big data helps identify wasteful processes and saves money. Then we have fraud detection. Banks use big data to find unusual transactions instantly. And the fifth one is real time insights. Companies can react to market changes immediately. So, big data is not just about information, it's about making smarter and faster decisions. Let's make it even simpler with some real world examples. Amazon, right? It uses your past purchase and browsing data to recommend products. Then we have Netflix. It tracks what you watch, when you pause, and your favorite genres to suggest movies you will love. Then we have Walmart. It analyzes customer buying patterns to manage inventory efficiently. Then we have Uber. It uses real time traffic and demand data to set dynamic prices. So, as you can see, almost every big company today runs on big data. It's like oxygen for digital businesses. Now, of course, every technology has its challenges too. Big data also faces some issues. First is big data privacy. Companies must protect user data and follow legal regulations. Then we have integration issues. Combining data from different sources can be tricky. Then we have skills shortage. Not everyone can handle big data tools. Experts are in high demand. Then we have high cost. Setting up servers and tools can be expensive. And if the data is wrong, the will also be wrong. So, data quality also plays a very important role. So, even though big data is powerful, it must be handled carefully and ethically. Now, to conclude, big data is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution in how businesses make decisions. By analyzing massive amounts of information, companies can understand customers better, predict future trends, and improve efficiency. The world's most successful businesses today, from Amazon to Netflix, rely completely on data driven insights. So the future belongs to those who can collect, analyze, and use data effectively. As a computer science student, this opens up a huge career opportunity for us too in data analytics, data engineering, and AI. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this presentation helped you understand how big data is transforming the business world. Thank you so much.